Welcome back. Today, we're summarizing 10 common garage door repair FAQs. Need DIY or professional help with your garage door repairs? Keep watching. We've got tips for both. If you're unsure, call us now at 877-372-4326. FAQ number 1. What are common garage door problems? Common issues include misaligned tracks, broken springs, malfunctioning openers, and worn-out cables. FAQ number 2. How to test garage door safety features. Place an object in the door's path and close it. If the door doesn't reverse upon contact, your sensors may need adjusting or replacement. FAQ number 3. Why doesn't my garage door close? Your sensors may be physically obstructed. Common culprits are garbage cans, gas cans, or even spider webs. FAQ number 4. What are signs your garage door needs repair? Look out for loud noises, jerky movements, or sagging sections. FAQ number 5. Should I replace garage door springs? Garage door springs are under high tension and can be dangerous to replace. It's best to leave spring replacements to trained professionals. FAQ number 6. Typical cost of garage door repairs? Per Home Advisor, the national average cost is $253 in the US. Garage door repair costs range from $150 to $356. FAQ number 7. How long does it take to repair a garage door? Repair times vary. Simple fixes take 15 to 45 minutes, and more complex fixes take hours. FAQ number 8. Do garage doors need maintenance? Absolutely. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future issues. Need help? Call us at 877-372-4326. FAQ number 9. How often should garage door maintenance occur? Schedule twice yearly checks to keep your garage door in top shape. FAQ number 10. When should I call a pro? If heavy lifting or electrical work is required, it's best to leave it to garage door experts. There you have it. Your top 10 garage door repair FAQs answered. Remember, safety and maintenance are key. For further assistance or questions, reach out to us at 877-372-4326. Stay tuned for more helpful tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Need professional garage door services? Dial 877-372-4326 now. Take care until next time.